Alright, I'm prepping a unit. Took off the screws, put the wing nuts on, so you just unscrew it and open it up. Here's a control panel. This is a Coleman 7.5 ton. I was checking things out, looking to see the gas hookup, and I noticed that the manifold, the welds broke on the manifold. So I guess during shipping it was on some rough roads or something. So I had to order one. It's under warranty, obviously, but so I'll get that done. Put this back on there, tighten it down. Pretty easy to access. That's one good thing about it. They are actually pretty good units. So it's not too common you see that. That's actually the first time I'd seen a manifold break like that. Usually a blower wheel's off balance when they're shipping, but just thought I'd share it. Lifting up to 7.5 ton. Gotta set that over here. Got our plenums dropped, gas, condensate, working on the power. Okay, we got it on, and I got the roof cleaned up, and it's a 7.5 ton. We're not completely done. Got to get the roofer's gonna come out here and he's gonna build up and then roof it all in, roof in our jacks. Our electrical is ran 3-phase. Got our disconnect, watertight disconnect. Got our thermostat wire going through there. Got our condensate. Got to paint it. Got our gas. It's shut off. We're not going to hook up the gas yet because we got to get apart the manifold. The weld broke on the manifold shipping. So we got a new manifold coming in, and we'll test run the heater. Also, I ordered a screen to guard the coil. I got the Y2 turned off, so it won't hurt it. It's just going to run as a 4 ton right now until we get the rest of the ductwork and stuff done. But it'll get them by until Monday next week. But this is phase 2 of our 7.5 ton change out. Peace out. Nothing to it but to do it, baby.